Sends me to you. You are looking at me, I'm looking at you. You are looking at me, I'm looking at you. They say this coronavirus is rearranging, it's readdressing, it's repackaging, it's relocating, it's reassuring, it's rebranding, it's revisiting, it's replacing marriages. So they say, I can't tell you slide cheeks. When you slide inside marriage, they say this coronavirus say make you slide inside marriage. Say look at it, make you give them breathing space. And in that same way, they say make you stay for your corner, just slide there. You understand? See, Baba Silva. We don't know the class. We Silver, they can't do work. We Silver, there is God, you. This coronavirus, you are doing well. You see, Yahweh, we are not doing well. As I talk to you, Yahweh, do that anointing. Serious anointing. Papa, where is me? Yahweh, he's massaging, he's squeezing. He's really squeezing Yahweh. This is not the time for you to be wearing jalabi or place in the house. It's time for you to be showing your skin, to be showing yourself again. You understand with this operation? Stay at home now. You have to show it. Give it to them. Anyhow, package yourself. You understand? Package yourself. You got to package yourself. You know now as they go now. Wallahi after the corona, meeting call meeting.